Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marsas, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Just want to get used to the cooler weather that had set up for the last 3 days or so. Warm front moves through overnight and back to temperature whiplash today, as we'll have those temperatures in the mid-70s this afternoon. So most areas running a good almost 15 to 20 degrees above average for the next few days. Doesn't feel like December at all. That warm kind of muggy air will be back with us today. Mostly cloudy, but we can't rule out maybe just a few rain showers, especially for the northern Arklatex. But as you get going this morning, there's honestly not too much rain out there. We've got a little bit of rain along I-30, but so far we've stayed dry in other locations. Live look at Marshall. If you're not seeing the rain, you can see we do have some clouds above us today, and those will be a fixture for us for the rest of the week. So we'll likely continue to see those mostly cloudy skies. So you can see there's a little bit of a south breeze that is set up here in Texas, and that's kind of transporting that Gulf air to the north, and we've seen a few showers pop up where that south wind is kind of ramped up this morning. So we expect that will shift into the Arklatex later this morning. So if we do see any rain through the morning hours, likely going to be here across Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. Don't think we'll see much if any rain in the Shreveport area today, but we can't rule out just a spotty shower picking up at times as we go through the morning and afternoon. Not too bad. Actually feels comfortable this morning. We're in the upper 50s as well as the low 60s. Another thing to look out for today, it will turn breezy. It won't be overly windy, but we should have the south wind maybe up to 15 miles per hour at times. So you'll feel that wind today, which is all that humid air moving up off the Gulf of Mexico. And given the warm and humid conditions, your highs today mid-70s, which is again unseasonably warm for this time of the year. The record is right around 80 degrees or so in most areas, so no records today, but we'll stay warm here for the next few days. Strong cold front now making its way into the western United States, so you can see the rain picking up in California, Nevada, Idaho, Pacific Northwest. That's the cold front that will settle in here on Thursday, so we'll go through the next few days on your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. Just kind of highlighting the rain here, staying in those same locations that are seeing it this morning, so not a ton of rain, but if you want to take the umbrella to be on the safe side today, not a bad idea, but we don't expect any widespread or heavy rainfall today or tomorrow, taking the rain completely out of the forecast for your Wednesday. We'll have to watch Thursday. That's when our cold front will get here. So Storm Prediction Center kind of expected we'd see this. Has a marginal risk out basically for I-20 and northward, as we could see some storms on Thursday. Maybe bring some high wind and hail, and we're showing maybe those storms arriving early in the morning, but more likely if we did see any severe weather, it would have to come during the warmer afternoon hours. Again, it's a low-end severe weather threat for us, but something that we are watching for Thursday. Front meanders back to the north Thursday night, but this is the same front that will come through late Friday and into Saturday, so we actually do have quite a bit of rain in the forecast into Friday and Saturday as well. All told, next 7 days, it looks like most areas will see about an inch or two of rain, but notice here north of I-30, we do have some areas that could pick up upwards of 3 inches of rain, and given the severe and moderate drought conditions, again, the ground should be able to soak this up no problem, so we won't see any flash flooding issues, and this will actually be very beneficial rain for us. So a look at your temperatures again next few days here, as we'll stay in the 70s likely through Thursday and Friday, but we will cool down as that front begins to make its way through this weekend. Doesn't look like we'll see much if any severe weather threat for the weekend, but much colder, as we'll see those temperatures drop into the 50s by Sunday and just kind of staying in the 50s as we dry out early next week.